In this video I'm going to adjust the level travel on a Shimano R8020. You'll just need a 2mm Allen key. If the travel is too long, you should consider bleeding your hydraulic system.